Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make a short intro video using YouTube Movie Maker, which you can download for free. And you can make long or short intro and outro videos using YouTube Movie Maker. And you can do it in a couple of ways, but let's do it in a fun way. Okay, let's go up here to the top and click on Lyric Maker button and click on Full Mode. Let's drop down here and on this old orange folder icon, click on New in the drop down menu. And over to the left, we need some music, or we can click on the box, Browse, double click on the MP3. Now it's imported into our program. Now we need some text. Click on the text box, Browse, and double click on the text. Next we want to do is start to record. But before I do that, I want to mention again, as I'm playing the music, at the beginning of each line of text, I'm holding down the space bar on my keyboard and releasing it at the end of each line of text. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and stop the recording. And let's go down to the left hand corner, and we want to make sure that this says word by word. If not, we click on word by word, show. And then let's preview what we have here. Okay, let's go ahead and stop that. We're going to change all that. So we're going to edit this over here on the right window. And we're going to start by going up to Font, plus, Set to All Lines. And this is the font list. We don't have any yet selected. And I'm going to get 6 different fonts, and I'll tell you the reason for that in a minute. Let's click on Plus Font. And let's go ahead and get us a red font. And we're going to leave that at 80. Click on OK. Let's get a blue font. And let's hit OK. Let's make this 70. And let's hit OK. Another font. And let's choose a gold. Well, let's choose this one here, and let's make this 45, and we're hit OK. Next one we want is, let's grab a purple one, and we're gonna put that at 60 and hit OK. And we need 2 more. And this time I'm going to choose this color here. And I'm going to make this 70. And I'm going to hit OK. And 1 more font. Let's just grab this colorful one right here. And let's make this 90. And hit OK. And let's hit OK again. Okay, let's go ahead up here to the top and let's click on Word Layout. And we can move these around the way we want them. And we're going to go and do this right here like this and hit OK. And then the next one of the best. We're going to go one of the best and hit OK. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's go ahead and move some of this around here. So I'm going to go ahead and go like this. Video and karaoke maker of 2022. Everything's kind of bunched up, but that's okay for now. And let's do this one here. Layout. And just keep it simple. And hit OK. And this one here, powerful video editor. Hit OK. Next one, download for free. Let's do download it now for free. And let's leave it like that. And the last one we're just going to leave as it is. Okay, let's go up here to the top one and click on Word Motion. And let's, in the right you can see what's going on here. So we're going to go over to the left and I'm going to choose Fast, checkmark Animated, Typography, and then I'm going to go up here and click on Zoom In and set to all checked boxes. Okay, that looks good. Now let's go up here and click on Motion, one of the best. And I'm going to go ahead, choose all 4 of those. I'm going to go ahead and click on Appear. And this time I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to get this here, set to checked box, and hit OK. Let's get to this one here. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to take the of and the of, and we want to click on that and make that 15. And then the 2022, let's go ahead and click on that and go down to 16. And now you can see what's going on over here. And let's also go ahead and these unchecked ones, let's set those all to zoom in and unchecked. Okay, so we're going to hit OK. And we're going to go back over here to font. And we're going to click on this last one, hit modify, and make that vertical. Hit OK, and hit OK. And let's take a look at the motion on that one. So we have one coming down, one going up. Okay, looks good. Next one, let's do motion. And let's go ahead and choose all 3. And let's click on, let's just keep it some zoom again. And set to check. Okay, that looks fine. And the next one, we're going to click on motion. And let's go ahead and click on all 3 of those. And let's go down here and block of 5. Set to checked. There's what we have. Let's hit OK. And let's do this one here. Download it now for free. So I want download it and now. And I want them to zoom. Oh no, let's go down here to shift vertical from upper. And set to checked. And that looks good. These are coming down and dropping in. Okay. Now let's go into Go. And let's choose block of 3 by 3 and hit OK. And let's see what we have now. Let's preview this. Oops, forgot one thing. Let's go ahead and stop this. Let's go down here to the right. And let's get a different video background. Fill in with video. And let's find testing. And let's bring in this video for a background. Now let's take a look at this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and go up to the top here, click on the orange folder icon, go down and let's render this video. And we're going to render it to this here, and we're going to name this short intro. And let's hit save. And now it's creating the video. Won't take long. And I hope this kind of helped you in a way. Like I say, trial and error. Play with it and learn. And I hope you liked this video. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel and like it if possible. And there's more videos to come. So let's go ahead and do one other thing here. Let's edit this just a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close this. And then click on Exit. No. And then I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to go ahead and drag that video into the screen here. Right click on it and video line. And the MP3 is longer than the lyrics. So I'm going to move this over just a little bit and play this. So I'm going to stop it right about here, and I'm going to right click, split here, and I'm going to delete the right one, hit delete, and let's go ahead and watch the rest of this video. Okay, now let's do one other thing while we're here. Let's go up here and bring in a image. And I'm going to double click on that. And I'm going to right click on that, add to overlay. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this over here. And I'm going to bring this up into the corner here. And let's preview this real quick. Okay, so I saw a couple of things there. So what I can do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make this a little bit smaller and move it up in this corner a little bit more. And I'm going to right click on the image here in this overlay. And let's go ahead and click on shapes, add a shape. And let's choose this one here. And we'll move this over here, hit OK. And let's preview this video. Okay, let's call it quits. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, again, subscribe to my channel. More videos coming. You have a great day.